And lastly, our third principle is expression. So if you think about this journey, is these three principles, these three foundational qualities for a beginner. We open, we connect to who we are, and then this last one is we share that with the world around us. We express that. In any moment, you are expressing something. In any moment, whether you want to acknowledge it or not, we all know this to be true because of body language. And also think about if your beloved came home and they walk through the door and you literally can tell right away, like, wow, they had a really bad day, or whatever it is, or they're really upset, or wow, they need some time alone. That we're always expressing something whether we acknowledge it or not. And so as yogis, more important than doing handstand is to look at the quality and the potency and the authenticity of our expression. Are we conscious about what we are giving off in any moment? And so we really have to take ownership of our expressions, and that's something that becomes a pivotal practice for us as yogis. So when you are on the mat, I encourage you to not look at the poses as postures, but as expressions. And how can we make harmonious expressions? How can we make authentic expressions? Or how can we express ourselves authentically? Think of the poses themselves as a vehicle for you to express your deepest heart. And that's what we'll get into when we move into the mat practice of the expression component. And so you can see that this is actually a formula that harmonizes and refines our expressions so that they are authentic. So first we start by opening, right? Because we feel so contracted and so unplugged and distracted and miserable and stressed from living in life these days. So first we just settle and we open. Like, I'm willing to have a shift. I'm willing to have a shift. That is such a profound place to start. So that's our openness. We are willing to have a shift, and then we take a moment and we reconnect to the truth of who we really are. We say, oh, wow, like Lex is lost in the drama of her life, but whew, let me come back to me. Connection. And then from there, we engage. We re-engage in life. We take a step forward. We express through our actions, through our energy, through our words, through our offering. And this is how we can live an authentic life. And that's really what a goal of yoga is, to love the life that you live. And the only way that we can really love the life we live is if it's our authentic life. If we are offering our deepest heart and our purpose and revealing our truth and allowing our heart to guide us, that's that authentic life. I really want to encourage you to hold these three qualities in the forefront of your mind and tuck them into the pocket of your heart: openness, connection, and expression. And look at how they can show up in your life and how you can practice these, not just when we're on the mat. You'll have classes in this video series to do that. But really, how can I open in my life? How can I cultivate or schedule time in my day so that I can reconnect to me, who I really am inside? And then also, am I expressing my deepest gift? These things will drastically transform your life when you commit to these principles and uphold them in your day-to-day life. These are what makes you an extraordinary yogi. These are the things that transform your life. These are the things that eliminate suffering. These are the things that shift you out of the depressed, anxious mood. These are the things that fill your heart, that inspire you, that keep you motivated to move forward on your dreams and your purpose in life. This is the real potency of the practice. Don't worry about your hamstrings. Don't worry about handstands. I got you covered in that department. Focus on this. These are what transformation and growth and development and your dreams are made out of. Stay true to this. Namaste.